Hello early years, Amington Heath. Today we're going to do some maths. First of all, we're going to warm up by practicing our counting all the way to 20. You need space because we're going to count up our bodies. Are you ready? We're going to start with 0 on the floor. Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on your knees. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Give those hands a wiggle. Let's go backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! Excellent counting. Well done. Reception. I challenged you a couple of weeks ago with Snappy to practice counting in tens. How have you been getting on with your tens? Shall we have a practice? Each time we say a 10 number, we're going to flash our fingers 10 times. Are you ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent counting. Have you watched the number block series about number 7 and the fluffies? Now, if you remember, the fluffies were tickling the number blocks and they couldn't stop laughing. And the only way to stop the fluffies from tickling was by number 7 coming, and he had to make the two different number blocks numbers get together to find different ways of making 7 to stop the fluffies from tickling them. We're going to have a go at finding different ways of making 7 today. So first of all, we need to count out 7 bears. So put 7 in your head, lock it in, because remember 7 is the number that we need to stop at. Help me count out 7 bears. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I'm going to stop at 7 because remember 7 was our number that we needed to stop on. Let's just check. Help me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. Here is our digit 7. My turn, 7. Excellent. We're going to find different ways of making 7 today by partitioning our bears. So we're going to have 2 groups of bears and finding out which 2 numbers together make 7. So I might put some bears over here, and then I might put some bears over the other side. Okay, here's our 2 groups. So I've got 3 bears here and I've got 4 bears here. So we now know that 4 add 3 makes 7. And when we put them back as a whole number, look, here's our 3 bears, add our 4 bears, together they all make 7 bears. Let's see if we can find a different way. I'm going to put those bears there, and I'm going to put these bears here. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bears here, and we've got 2 bears there. So we can now say that 5 add 2 makes 7. Let's put them back as a whole number. We've got 5 bears, add the 2 bears, all together makes 7. Let's check we've still got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fantastic. Why don't you have a go at home and see what different ways you can make 7? Before we finish, I have got all my number bean bags here all the way to 7, but they're all mixed up. and I need to find a way of putting them all in the correct order. So I thought you could help me. Which number do I need to start counting with? Number 1. Here is number 1. I'm going to put number 1 there because he's first. What number comes after 1 when we're counting? 1, 2. Here's number 2. Let's put him next to number 1. We've got 1, 2. What number comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. Here's 3. Let's put number 3 here next to number 2 because it's the next number when we're counting in ones. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's number 4. Let's put number 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Here's 5. Let's put number 5 there. What comes after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. Which one's 6? I'm not sure. Can you help me? This one? That's right, of course. So number 6 goes here. So after 6 comes 7. That's right. And we'll put 7 there. Let's count and say the numbers in the correct order. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. See if you can get some numbers at home. Maybe you could ask an adult to help you write some on some paper and cut them out and see if you can put them in the correct order, starting at 1 all the way to 7. I'd love to see some photos if you do. Happy counting!